Being so anxious, can't take it. Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Baby, I'm so anxious, can't take it. Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? I don't think about anybody but being beside your body, baby. You can leave open windows, don't care, see me on my clothes, baby. Yeah, I like bananas and peaches and some ice it's indecent, that's just crazy. That's just crazy. Can I slide out of mine and into yours? Heels on waiting at your door. I don't wanna play no more. Leave everything on the floor. You don't need a pose to see me strip. Only thing I want is your lips. Take it to the top or skin me dip. I don't even wanna get a grip. I just like it when you grab my hips. Can you feel it through your fingertips? How do I keep these on? How do I let you know? Boy, you deserve a shot. Deserve to get comfortable. It's only natural. I could tell when you locked the door just what was going on. Boy, can we take off all our clothes? When can we take off all our clothes? When can we take off all our clothes? When can we take off all our clothes? Baby, I'm so anxious, can't take it. Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Baby, I'm so anxious, can't take it. Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Follow me to my dressing room. Let me know if you ain't about that NSFW. Now it's safe to finish what we started. First impression of you is you really like the party. Spilling all up on you cause you know I wanna dance. Let me cordially invite you to this party in my pants. How you got me sprung and don't say sorry in advance. Show me all your tats, not just the ones that's on your hands. Who's your designer? It's that birthday suit, one of a kind. Everything about you look like it's on purpose. God was working, probably took some extra time though. Ay, all up in my curves like a puzzle piece. Jigsaw, let me see how my soul sees. After we fuck, I'ma wanna cuddle. We could take it to the kitchen. I'll be on the island, come and eat. How do I keep this on? How do I let you know? Boy, you deserve a shot. Deserve to get comfortable. It's only natural. I could tell when you locked the door just what was going on. Boy, can we take off all our clothes? Can we take off all our clothes? Can we take off all our Touch my body, just touch my body, just touch me. touch my body, just